Guys, we have to do maintenance cleaning right away.
Maintenance cleaning.
I've got to clean these fixtures and pallets. I don't have time for this.
Look at this gluey stuff on here. What a mess. This frame needs to be cleaned.
No one enjoys maintenance cleaning. We know it's a pain. But when it comes to removing conformal coating from pallets and fixtures, using ATRON DC makes the process quick, easy, and efficient. ATRON DC is the world's first water-based cleaning agent, specifically developed for maximum decoating power with the highest level of operator safety in mind. It effectively removes a variety of coating materials and is suitable for all maintenance cleaning machine types, including dip tank and ultrasonic. ATRON DC, let us prove to you how easy maintenance cleaning can be.